everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video. I mentioned it a couple weeks ago that I was going to be filming this. I was waiting for my Ebates check to arrive so I could sit down and film this video for you, but I just got my Ebates check for the previous quarter and it is $1,533.63. I told you guys this video was coming and so many of you were really excited to see or hear my tips and tricks on how to get a better Ebates check back every quarter. So if you want to see how I made that much money for free just doing shopping I was going to be doing anyway with Ebates, then stay tuned. Okay, so there are 6 basic ways that I know of how to maximize your Ebates check. If you have no clue what I'm talking about and you don't know what Ebates is a free website. There are thousands of vendors, merchants on their website like Kohl's and Walmart and Amazon and Target and pretty much any retailer you can imagine is on Ebates.com. So basically, anytime you do any online shopping and a lot of shopping in certain stores, you will use either the Ebates app or you'll go through the Ebates website to do your online shopping. So instead of going to Kohls.com to purchase your new shoes, you're going to go to Ebates.com and find Kohl's on the Ebates website, click on the Kohl's link, and then Ebates will take you to Kohls.com where you'll complete your purchase, you'll put in your payment information and everything on the Kohl's website like you always would, but you went through Ebates first. And basically what that's going to do is give you a certain percentage of cash back from your purchase on Kohls.com into your Ebates account. So let's say you spent $100 on Kohls.com and you went through Ebates first. And let's say that Ebates was offering 10% cash back at Kohls.com, which they do quite often. So when you spend $100 at Kohl's, you're going to get $10 back in your Ebates account. That's going to sit in your Ebates account and it's going to wait until the end of the quarter. And any shopping you do like that, all of that money that you're going to get in cash back is going to stay in your Ebates account for a quarter. And then at the end of that quarter, Ebates will send you a check for whatever money was in your account. So that $10 that you earned from your Kohl's purchase and the $20 you earned from your Target purchase and all that money kind of just sits there and waits for the end of the quarter and then they send it to you in the form of a check, which is exactly what I have right here. So that is what Ebates is. It is free and it's one of those things that really sounds too good to be true. I've talked about this before and I said, you know, a lot of times when things sound too good to be true, it usually is. Not in this case. I have been an Ebates member for years, way before I even started YouTube. I was using Ebates. I got my mom using Ebates like everybody because when you find something that is legitimate and that actually works and it's free money in your pocket, you really want to share it with people because it's such a good deal and I hate for people to miss out on it. So that is what Ebates is in a nutshell. My first tip for how to make the most of your Ebates check every quarter is don't forget to use Ebates. I mean, that's the thing. A lot of people tell me that they sign up and they forget to use it. So you can't forget to use it because obviously if you don't use it, it's not going to get you any money back. So one really great way to remember to use it is to download the Ebates button. It basically is a little button or an extension, whatever you want to call it, that you download and it goes on your internet browser. And so basically if you were on Kohls.com and you had forgotten to go to Ebates first, up at the top, it'll actually pop up and say, click here to activate cash back or something like that. And so you will click a link that the button has popped up for you and that will link your Ebates account to whatever you're getting ready to purchase on Kohls.com, if that makes sense. So even if you forget to go through Ebates.com first, that little button will remind you. It's a lifesaver. And even if it's a website that maybe you didn't know was on Ebates, if it is, that little button up there will remind you to use it. So it's just a really great way for forgetful people to remember to use Ebates, or if you've just signed up and maybe you're not in the habit of going to Ebates.com first, that little button will be really helpful to you to remember to use Ebates every single time you shop online. Also, there are a lot of stores that participate with Ebates as well. So you want to get the Ebates app and save it on your phone. And let me just show you really quickly, because I have the app too, and there's not a terrible lot of stores on the in-store option. You do have Bed Bath & Beyond, you have Sephora, Best Buy, JCPenney, Office Max. So what I did was I just put my card information in my Ebates account online. And then whenever I want to go to a store that's got cash back, I'll hit link offer. And it will automatically link that offer to my card. So when I use that card in that store, it will go back and link to my Ebates account, if that makes sense. So like on here, I've linked my card to Bed Bath & Beyond on the app. And so there's 4% cash back in store at Bed Bath & Beyond. So when I use that card, if I use it to purchase something in the store at Bed Bath & Beyond, 4% will go back to my Ebates account. That's the first thing. Don't forget to use Ebates. It cannot make you any money if you're not using it. The second tip to maximize your Ebates check is to take advantage of promotional bonus cashback. Ebates does this a lot. They just did it for Valentine's Day, where tons of stores had 14% cashback. Instead of maybe 6% or 8%, they had 14%. Sometimes they'll do double, so you've got 10%, 20% cash back. Tons of stores do this all the time on Ebates. So you're gonna want to make sure that you have, you know, you're signed up for emails, because that way they will email you whenever there's a promotion going on. So if you're gonna buy something from Kohl's, but if you wait till the 14th to buy it, you'll get 14% cash back instead of 10, or whatever the situation is. But they do double cashback, triple cashback, all different types of bonus cashback offers all the time. So you definitely want to make sure that you are following them on their social media and that you are signed up for their emails, so you can really maximize your cashback by by participating with those promotions when they have them. Another way to get the most cash back possible is to shop online and then pick up in store. So let's say that I wanted to purchase something from Walmart, and I could go to the store and buy what I need and just bring it home. But if I want to get some more cash back in my Ebates account, then what I really would like to do, and what I do a lot, is order it online, use Ebates of course to get the cash back, and just pick it up in store. Whenever I get a chance to go over there and get it, I'll pick it up. So that way I'm getting cash back for a purchase that I could have made in the store, but I just went a little bit of an extra step and did an in-store pickup, got the cash back in my Ebates account, and I'll just go pick up the order when I'm ready from Walmart or whatever the store is that I'm shopping at. So I do that quite a bit just to get extra cash back for something I was going to purchase in-store anyway. So it may be too much work for you. You may think it's not worth it, and that's fine, but that's just an extra way to maximize your Ebates check, and it really does add up over the length of an entire quarter of the year. You know, if you do that once or twice a week or even a couple times a month, that really is going to add up over the course of a quarter. That's really going to add up and give you even more money in your Ebates account. So the next tip is something I did talk about a minute ago, but make sure that you have the app and that you're using the in-store option, because you do have to link those offers to your card, or the in-store option is not going to work for you. So you just have to make sure you download the app, put your payment information in there on the website, and then link those offers so that when you use that card at those stores, you will get your cash back. My next tip for maximizing your Ebates check is to book any vacations or business trips that you have to take through Ebates. There are tons of travel websites on Ebates.com that will get you cash back for a trip that you wanted to take or you had to take anyway. There's like rental car companies on there, there are hotels on there, even certain amusement parks like Busch Gardens is on there. So you're gonna get a percentage of that purchase of those tickets back, or that car rental or whatever, back in your Ebates account just for traveling that you were going to do anyway. So definitely, even though it's not something you may think about going to Ebates before you go on a trip or a vacation, definitely get on there and look around and see all the different stores and rental car companies and hotels and everything that is on there. I think you'll be surprised, and that's extra money you're going to get back for a trip that you're going to take anyway. Last tip for how to maximize your Ebates check is to share it with your friends and family and your coworkers and everybody you know, your neighbors. You know, when you love something and you discover something amazing, you want to share it with the people that you love and you care about. So if you found this amazing eye cream that got rid of all of your wrinkles in one day, you would want to share it. And it's the same thing with Ebates. When you find a free, easy way to get extra money back for shopping that we were all going to do anyway, why wouldn't you want to share that with your friends and family? And the benefit to you to sharing it with your friends and family is if they sign up through your affiliate link, which anybody can get an affiliate Ebates link, whether you have YouTube or you're a social media person or not, anybody can get an affiliate link. When somebody signs up for Ebates through your link and they use Ebates for the first time, you're going to get bonus cash back just for referring them, and they're going to get bonus cash back just by being a new customer. So, or a new user of Ebates. I don't even want to say customer because that makes it sound like that Ebates is taking something from us, and they're not. It's totally free. So make sure that you're sharing it with your friends and family. Make sure you share it with the people that you work with, and you put it on your social media. Talk about it on Facebook and say, hey, you know, this is a really great way to get money back anytime you shop online or in store. You know, here's my link. If you want to sign up, you'll get $10 bonus cash. So that really adds up. And I'm not going to lie to you guys and say that I got all of this money by just using Ebates for shopping for personal use, because I didn't. Thanks to you guys, this is the biggest Ebates check I've ever gotten. This is more than I need to pay my house payment for a month. And that means a lot to me, and a lot of that is because of you guys. Yes, I did purchase a lot, and I got some of this back, you know, my own money that I earned from doing online shopping. But a lot of this is from you guys signing up through my link. But even before I had YouTube and even before I had social media, I would get a decent sized check back from Ebates every quarter because I did use it every time I shopped online. I did use it in store whenever possible. You know, I did all these other things to help maximize my Ebates check. And just now having a little bit of a social media platform to share it on has helped me that much more. So even if you don't have a huge circle of friends or a huge social media following, which I don't either, make sure you're sharing it with your own personal circle of friends and neighbors and coworkers, because that really does add up over time as well. So those are my 6 best tips for how to maximize your Ebates check that you're going to get every single quarter. I just can't talk enough about Ebates. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I have worked with them in the past, and they have sponsored videos of mine in the past, but I was talking about them long before they ever sponsored me, and then this video is not sponsored either. I just want to share with you guys that this really does work. And I could have filmed this video without this check, but I was waiting for it to come in because I wanted to have it in my hand to physically show you that Ebates is a real thing. It is a website that really does work. I mean, there is their logo up there. It's a legitimate website. There are no hidden catches or obligations, and there's no downside to using Ebates. Even if you only got 20 bucks back in a quarter, that's $20 that you would not have had if you hadn't used Ebates. So I highly recommend that you sign up for it, give it a try. If you don't like it after a quarter, then don't use it again. You know, just don't even worry about it. But I have a feeling if you sign up, you download that Ebates button, and then you start realizing that so many stores that you're shopping at have Ebates cashback, that you're going to earn easily money back just for shopping anyway and clicking that little button. It's just such an easy way to save money, and who doesn't want to save money? So I have a link in the description box for you guys. It is a referral link. I will get money back in my Ebates account if you sign up through my link and you start using Ebates. But you will also get $10 in your Ebates account just by signing up through my link and using Ebates for the first time. So it's a win-win for everybody, and I just think it's a great website, it's a great app, and it's a great way to save money and earn money, because who doesn't want to get extra money back in their life? I don't know anybody that doesn't want to get some free money back. So definitely check out the link if you're interested. Play around with the website. Look at the stores that are on there. There are thousands of stores on there, and I think you guys will love it as much as I do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.